In order to use solar panel fields effectively, they must be regularly monitored and analyzed.
With a solar thermography operation from our company, you will get an overview of all thermal anomalies present on your solar site. Our thermographic measurements are made with dual sensors to enable appropriate analysis. Each thermal anomaly will have a detailed list of properties, including anomaly type, anomaly, cause, delta temperature, remedial action, and much more. During our analysis, RGB and thermal images are matched to increase accuracy.
Generally established solar panel fields sometimes experience production losses of 40% to 60%.
Our solutions ensure that solar panel fields operate at maximum performance. Thermal anomaly types detected as a result of our analysis are classified and indicate exactly which process will be applied on which panel to solve them. Some thermal anomaly types shown. Please contact us for detailed information and quotation.